Hey everyone, here's here from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 36 of beginner course. Today we will cover common mistakes when working with Rivet and how to avoid them. So, have you ever had a Rivet that wants to stay in a place? Or maybe after setting it, and check from the side, the top and bottom part are misaligned. If this has happened to you, don't worry, it's super easy to avoid those. The secret is choosing the right post length for your rivet. If the post is too short, your rivets pop off. If post is too long, your rivet will be misaligned. So today, I will show you how to get it right. Let's dive in. When working with rivet, most people think the rivet always stays secure. But if you use a wrong post length, you will see the rivet fall off easily. The front and back don't line up. The rivets feel loose. This is all because the post length doesn't match your leather thickness. So let's fix it. Let's check the correct post length. Here's a tip. Look at the post of the male part. Do you see the tiny groove near the tip? That groove tells you the perfect post length. And here's how to check it. First, insert the post into the hole and check to see if the groove sits just above the hole. It means the post length matched to your leather thickness. But if your groove is too high or hidden in the hole, these are problems. If you match post length to your leather thickness, the post will spread inside of the cap and it will tightly lock the rivet. But if the post length is too short and the groove hides inside of the hole, when setting it, the post doesn't spread enough, making the rivet weak. So it is important to make sure the groove is visible at the outside of the hole before you set the rivet. On the other hand, if the post is too long, the rivet might shift when setting it. Here is an example. As you can see, your rivet won't sit perfectly straight, making the front and back side misaligned. Therefore, it is important to make sure the post lengths match to your leather thickness. But you might wonder how to adjust the post length. Good news is the rivet comes in a different post length. For example, I usually use a 9mm rivet head, and as you can see, they have different post length. So you can choose the post length depends on your leather thickness. So I recommend keeping a few different sizes of post lengths on your hand, and you can choose the right rivet depends on your project. I also include the links to the product page of the rivet in the description below, so please check it. That's all for today. How was it? Now you know how to properly install the rivet and how to choose the right post length. Now no more loose rivet and misalignment. But wait, I have a special beginner-friendly project that's perfect for practicing rivet. That's coming next time, so get your tools ready. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give me a like and subscribe for more leathercraft tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye.